Hello people, this is Sandrino. And yeah, you see it, the first peppers are coming. Finally some colors we have here. And the plant you see is New Max Halloween is called it. The funny part is like this, wait. You see, this is yellow. And after we have the same type, you see, it's bushy, but this is violet, it's other colors. You see? And yeah, he make a lot of different color. Depends on, I don't know why. And yeah, but when it's full ripe, rip, you can eat it, become red, like most of the colored chili become red, but they're just so beautiful. And yeah, see, they're a little bit slow, but they are going. Right now, like, you see, peppers here. This is the slow batch. I planted after, but you see, they're coming slowly, slowly. Another one. And now I name you something. Why I have this list, this beautiful messy list. So I know what I have. Like this is on the entrance. This is why here is the entrance. I go here, looking left, mini chocolate bell. Yeah, I read it different order, but it's mini chocolate bell. And you see, you make it some bells. A lot of bells. And yeah, after I try to put it in the edit, oh no, some insect. Like, I show you others. You see, you have another new mix. Yeah, here is full of peppers. And yeah, I follow the rule of no cutting, no pruning of the say, while the plant know exactly what they have to do. I just give him the best condition I can, like this one. He's making some strange ones. And this is like, wait, I need to check, it's the third row. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This should be a Naga Brain Choco. See, chocolate. This is Naga Brain chocolate, this one. Should be. Maybe I write wrong the list. Maybe, yeah, I confuse everything. This can be. And like this one, I don't know what pepper this is. It's for the mixed seed, but for now it's not making a lot. Like this one, this is Put Yoloka White. I'm very curious about this. I like a lot of white peppers. Like the color pepper, but you see down there, it's going. Making, oh here. Another one down there. And you see, ta-da. Yeah, I like when they looking so strange. Yeah, look, this is yeah. Oh. Allora, moruga, Thai yellow pumpkin. This will be a Thai yellow pumpkin, but seems like a new mix. Yeah, absolutely. I think I messed up a lot. But yeah, I have a lot of difference. Like, oh yeah, I need to show you. So sad. This here, so be, wait, 1, 2, 3, 4. This will be a apocalypse chocolate. But yeah, you see, it's suffering. I don't know why he don't make roots. And yeah, maybe I just take it off to try to help the plant to not use so much energy. And yeah, hope he make some better roots. Yeah, sometimes things happens. Every other plant I'm making very good. It's healthy, yeah, so little problems like this one. But yeah, I'm here in the wild. This is why we have a lot of insect, fungus, and yeah. But you see, they all are going. This will be. This will be. Another naga brain. Yeah. They're just so beautiful. Well, you see, this will be the same. They're all hot peppers, but you see a lot of difference in the plants, how they grow, the leaves. Yeah, the flower I put it here. They ain't going, but yeah, it's lower I was thinking. But they coming and coming. Yeah. And today, finally, so be come some rain. But the problem is, so be heavy rain. This is why now we are here to try to protect it. While it's possible that come down some ice, and you know, it's broke down everything, like months of work done in one night. This is why we try to protect it. And yeah, we put, wait, I show you there. Okay, with this net. This is for shade, but yeah, you can use it for protection from above. Well, yeah. Thinking losing everything about this. Like this plant there, it's called Galega, and this will still there years, while it's still growing. This is a very cool plant. You see, it's making like this leaves. You eat these leaves, and he just grow. So many years, like he can stay. When the wind come and put it down, finished. In the end, we have here a lot of pigs. This was a pepper. We buy it in the shop. We don't know the name, nothing about, but yeah. And this one was a surprise. But we was thinking this was a sweet pepper. But I tried one at home and it's hot, yeah. Yeah, sometimes happens. Like no, we don't have it now. But like the melons, we take all the same melons, but in the batch, one was another one. I don't complain. We have a different fruits, it's better. And yeah, it's lovely cucumber. And gaining. This was a planted zucchini. It's going well. Yeah, I need some little bit feeding, some fertilizer, but they're going. Yeah. Right now. And yeah, the fruit plants. Some, yeah, I'm making good. Some little bit not so good. While I noticed like this one was suffering all the time. Or is on this one? But yeah, like this, it's like still. I don't know why. But sometimes I see they have some problems down there. Like wait, it was. Yeah, like this is another one who's like suffering, and I just check it, and yeah, it was damaged here. You see, it's very yeah. Now slowly we see how I can fix it, and yeah, when I was using this big water tube, it's insanely how much water has come out of now. And yeah, we finished the water in the water wheel. But the next day it was all the water come back. Well, yeah, we have a lot of water down in the soil, while it's the river down there. Well, now it's like nothing. I'll show you. Nothing. Even here, I make a little bit bigger hole to take out water, but now is everything gone. Yeah, it's very hot and we need rain. And this is my proud. I see he lost a lot of fruit. Yeah, he was totally full. I don't know if you remember. But yeah, for now, just one or two. Yeah, hope I will survive the winter. Yeah, get very frozen. Yeah, here in Portugal, you have a lot of changes in the temperature. Like yeah, you can go easily like 36 in the day, and like 20 or 23, yeah, in the night. And it's come wet. Yeah, well, yeah, you have so much up and down. But yeah, okay, after I show you a bit at home who is going. But yeah, now it's not so hot. You see a lot of insects are coming back. Yeah, and this is insanely how everything is growing, like down the river. But yeah, I'll show you the last one. So healthy. You see? Oh yeah, it's making a lot of things, but yeah, it's sacrificing a lot of things. Yeah, we see. We are learning. Okay. See you at home. Dopey roll. Yeah, I finish the protection. I make so why I don't know is even protecting something. Why? Yeah, it touch. He will touch with the wind. He will go up. And after we go down. And yeah, hope he broke nothing. Well, I broke just this plant there. I broke it. Yeah. I throw this stand up there and crack. Yeah. Things happens. Yeah, I try every time to make it more like this. But you see, like this, just going down. And yeah, I need a better way to put down this post. But yeah, for now I just look in this. Yeah, another protection for other seedlings. There is the other section. Yeah, just we protect most the things we can do money. The hot peppers and for seeds and yeah, spices. And yeah, the strange ones, absolutely. The black cherries. and amaranto and white aubergine, no, white eggplant. And there I show you just, you see it? The black cherry are going. No, I broke it down. No. Fortunately, we have others. But yeah, I leave it here for today, and yeah, and yeah, tomorrow I harvest. Even if it's not good, but yeah, and yeah, I see when how long is the video. When it's too long and not show you the home, we see next week. See ya.